Oh, by the way, just in case anybody was aware, this is my first time on set. It's a visual error. What's up? I don't know why I do it that way, but that's the way I do it.
That's your style, bro.
It's my style. It's my vlog style. So we're on set filming. This was my day today. There was a lot of meetings. There was a lot of recording meetings. There was some IHOP in there. That was one of the highlights of my day. I was very full. So full, in fact, I couldn't get comfortable standing up. You know how full that is, where you just have to lean to the side all day? That's how full I was. What do we have?
Oh my god, we had McGriddle knockoffs. No, hold on, that's disrespect. They were better than McGriddles. They were IHOP versions of McGriddles.
IHOP version of McGriddles.
Pancake butter.
And now, Nick is like, hey, get back to work.
Hey. Everyone's got their own creative process, you know?
Hey, I just got to get visual error on set, getting it in.